All right, so this is one of the places where we're going to be doing our stock analysis. All right, so the name is already stock analysis. What you want to do is come to this search bar and click on any of the stocks you want to analyze. Let's say you want to analyze GTCO. Now, GTCO is listed both in Nigeria Stock Exchange and London Stock Exchange. So we're going to use this Nigeria Stock Exchange. All right, so when you click it, you're going to see an overview of the stock. So this is it on Nigeria Stock Exchange. Now, this is not an updated price, because as at the point of doing this video, it has increased up to like 131 naira. So that is why you also need to confirm the prices of your stocks at different brokerage apps. So we're still going to use it before it gets updated. Now, this is the overview of this GTCO. Now, what is more important for us for this training is the revenue and the net income, as we've already spoken in our Telegram channel. All right, so this revenue, you can see the revenue they made as at the last business year was 1.71 trillion. All right, now it means that they actually had additional 2.2%. All right, so if you find out the 2.2% of this 1.71 trillion, that was like the previous year's revenue. All right, and like I said, revenue is what the total profit a company makes, right? Total impure profit that a company makes. Now, the net income is where the real profit is coming in, because in the net profit, salaries has been paid, taxes have been paid, repairs, every other thing that has to do with expenses have been taken care of. So after deducting every of those things, the company was having about 853 billion, right? 853 billion. So that was what they were having. So this is actually how to know if a company is making real-time profit or is still struggling to make profit. So revenue is not enough to decide if a company is actually booming. If the revenue is not in alignment with the income is not even making sense, that is actually a negative sign for you to purchase a particular stock. All right, so you can see this is 1.71 trillion, almost 2 trillions, and this is 853 billion, although there's a decline in that. So this is just how you figure this out. Then let's say in addition, you're having a dividend. So this is actually the previous amount they were going to pay until they spoke of an additional increase. They had a proposed dividend pay, which was around 11.76 years. So the total they are paying once the proposed plan has been approved is 12.76. Last year they paid 1 naira for each of the shares. So that is that on that. Now it means that if you purchase GTCO between now and 13th of this month, you will be able to get their proposed dividend. All right, and payment is going to come on the 28th of this month, which is April. So for now, this is where we're going to stop this discussion on. If you have questions whatsoever, please, you can let us know wherever this will be posted. All right, thank you.